Hi there students. In this video I'd like to look at the noun think and the phrasal verb to think out. Okay, I'm going to do think out first because this is the version of think that's used most commonly in the UK. To think out is not to do what you promised you were going to do. To fail to do something that was promised. We'd planned to go to the pub tonight, but John thinked out at the last minute. He promised to help me today, but he thinked out. He rang up and gave me some terrible excuse. Yeah, so to fail to do something as promised. Yeah, we planned to go camping, but at the last minute my friend thinked out. Okay, so you failed to do it. Notice, to think out intransitive, to think out of the field trip. Think out of it. So it's inseparable because we've got two. Okay, so think out. This is slang as well. This is very informal English. Now, a think, mostly used in American slang, a think is a contemptible person. Yeah, is somebody who informs on you. Yeah, so that kid in the front row of the class is a think. He told the teacher that I was cheating. Yeah, a think, a contemptible person. Oh, he's a think. Yeah, a rat think, if you like. Now, apparently also a think was a strike breaker. So there's a strike in a factory and the workers refuse to go to work. And people used to pay people to go to work, to pay other people to go to work. So they are strike breakers. This suggests the origin comes from Pinkerton agents. These are like private detectives or private police who acted as strike breakers. Yeah, they're the end of the 19th century in the United States. Okay, so a think, an unpleasant person, somebody who sneaks on you. Yeah, somebody who gives information, who squeals to the authority, who rats on you. Yeah, so he thinked on them to the police. If you think on me, I'll thump you. Yeah, and then the think, somebody who's disapproved of, somebody contemptible. Yeah, or an informer. Yeah, a sneak, or a strike breaker, somebody who's trying to break a strike. Notice all of those meanings with think, these are much more common in the US. Whereas to think out, you could use that in British English, to think out on someone, to think out of something, yeah, to avoid doing what you've promised, yeah, to decide not to cooperate after all. You can't think out on us now, yeah, don't think out at the last moment, yeah, to escape without doing it. So notice all of these meanings are informal slang. I think I'd probably give them all about a 3.5 informality. Notice to think out as well is a regular verb. He thinked out. He's thinked out several times before. So use this informally. Yeah, don't use it in a formal sense. So there you go. A think thinks out. Yeah, a think informs on someone. Yeah, they think out of their promises. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A think, to think out.